these are the exercises prescribed post having an arthroscopic rotator cuff repair. So to start off with, we do active hand and wrist movements, okay? So basically you open up your hand, make a fist, open up your hand, make a fist, right? Then you can go into wrist extension, wrist flexion, wrist extension, wrist flexion, okay? And then from there, we do elbow movements, okay? So you can do active flexion. Make sure that you keep your elbow touching the side of your body, okay? And completely relaxing the shoulder. So basically you go active flexion, okay? And then you can go into full extension as well. Active flexion, full extension, okay? And then from there, you can just turn your wrist down and up, okay? So just rotating down and up, all right? And then from there, you do a pendular cradle exercise. So this exercise is purely passive, all right? Where the shoulder does nothing, okay? This affected arm basically stays nice and passive and is just completely relaxed, all right? Your unaffected arm is doing all the work. So to start with this one, you take your elbow into 90 degrees, hold on to your unaffected hand like this. Your unaffected arm holds on to your left arm, okay? You bend forward to 90 degrees, right? And then you just gently take your arm out forward to that 90-degree mark, all right? I'll come to the side so you can see that again. All right, so you pitch forward to 90 degrees and then passively taking your affected arm out to that 90-degree mark with